Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Panther Pink. So in today's video we are going to make panel gown for our dolls. So mine it's for our dolls. So before getting into video I want to say my editing is not so well. So just forgive me if the editing went wrong, just forgive me. So before getting into video, let's see what exactly is a panel gown. Panel gown. So you can search it down in Google or somewhat. That's your option. So here is my results. I searched down what's panel gown or panel dress. So you see they're so beautiful. Very beautiful, elegant. I really like them. Okay. So if you're interested you can search. That's your option. So it's just my results. So there's a description. A panel dress is, as the name suggested, is a dress made of many panels. That's clear. It's made of many panels of fabric and just stitched together, and it's like Cinderella dress or somewhat. So that's how a panel gown is. So you can see how it goes down. The explanation is clear. You can just search down for more clearness if you want. So there's some videos also, explaining that. So let's get into our video. So before doing anything we need an expectation, and I always has expectation. So let's see what my expectation is. So I drawn down my expectation over here. I think you guys can see it. The design is just like my fabric, and I want the top to be like this, little bit in shape, and crisscross in the back. I really like that. That's my model. I think my expectation, my reality can be like my expectation. Wait till the end to see how it looks. So first take 18 inches of my measuring tape. My measuring tape, this one, 18 inches till it. I guess it's inches. So you can take 18 inches one like this, and another one which is going like cross, and just draw a circle which meets both the lines. So or else you can randomly draw a circle. The radius should be a doll, from the doll's hip. So now just cut that down. So we're getting into make a circle in the middle, and we're getting into the top. So it's the hard portion. I don't know if it's going to get well or something. So it's a confusing part. I don't know how to assemble that. I need to check, I guess. This is my first time stitching a panel gown. It's my first time and your first time too. So there will be mistakes and there will be plan towards, I guess. I'm almost getting it out, I guess. It's hard to guess it or get them. I think my expectation is little bit high or somewhat. I don't know I'm going to get or not, but yes, I'm almost there. You can see, right? I'm almost there. I'm so happy and I feel so proud. So just stitch them down, straight or something, whatever stitch you want. So I stitched it wrong, you see. So we wanted to get into plan 2. So the plan 2 is that I'm going to sketch this pattern, sketch that pattern down, and I think I can stitch that out. I went out of bobby pin. Why is this happening to me? So you see. So I sketched that down. I used a glitter pen. Be careful when using all this pens. It can see in the front. So from that pattern I sketched them down, and I'm just going to cut that out. Then I'm going to stitch that. First we're going to stitch the bottom. You see, then side and the another side. And I just have left some space. When you're stitching, some space will go. I don't know the name is really. Forgive me. So just stitch it like this, and stitch it like that, and just stitch it like this. It's a hard portion. So then you had made a hole in the circle. Now just stitch that together. You see, you have to stitch that circles to that fabric, to the top. it's getting to the expectation, I guess. Okay, not like the expectation at all. You see, there is no panels, and the top, I changed to plan C. So from plan A we send to plan B, then plan C. So we need panels, I guess. Sorry, panels. So for getting panels, we need to bend like this and stretch like this. That's an easy, I guess. That's not easy. That's not at all easy. So you see my circle. So we can draw lines randomly and stitch, bend like this and stitch. That's your option. So I just bended that circle off, and at the top over here like that and all those things. Wherever you want panels, there and all you can stitch. So two stitch lines or him can make panels. That's then the Google. Why this happened to me only? I ran out of bobby pins. So I'm just stitching that down, and it's my second time. I don't know, my first time I ran out of bobby pin. It's happened to me every time. So I stitched that down. I'm going to stitch it like this. I just stitched two together. So I think another two also I can stitch together. So I just stitched then random lines. Random lines. I'm sorry, I have a little bit problem pronouncing, so you can hint that down, but I'm not doing. Why? I'm so lazy. So like the panels are getting it's a meme. You can search and you can just look. So these buttons, I don't know what its name is. If you know the name of the button, just key in the description below, like the comment box, and I will see. So you can stitch that, or else you can use a hook and eye, or else nail crow, or as my plan it was, I wanted ribbon, so I'm going to go with ribbon. I really like how the skirt coming out. It's just like the expectation, I guess. Okay, it's going on. But here him, it's not done. I had finished this. I had finished that. So I had finished my skirt, like my gown. The bottom part of the skirt looks good, but the top, I wanted it to be a little bit shape, but it's not in shape. I wanted it to be shape. So that's what. And like the back, I done well, but this girl is so skinny, so that's not saying. I'll try it in a curvy doll, and I'll just post it in my Instagram page. And you see, the back is coming, like the skirt came well, but not the top. So I'm disappointed about that, but I think it's okay, good. It was an easy tutorial, I guess. However, it's my first time, so I'm happy about it. I done a good work in the skirt, but not as well in the top. So that's what my expectation and reality. Just give the comment below if you like my expectation or my reality, which is good. And did my reality came near to the expectation or not? Just comment down in the description. However, we are done. I think it's a good work. I took a lot of photos, and I post some in my Instagram page. Just check that down. There is the link of my Instagram page below in the description box. Just check that out. So I took a lot of lovely pictures, and I just done a story, which is better, bow on the front or the back. So many people turn the front, it's better. I just turned that, it also worked out. So however, the gown turned very cute. I really love that, and I'm going to try another one. Second panel gown. I don't think it's going to be a disaster like this. Is it a disaster or not? Just tell me in the comment box. So I love that. Thanks for watching my video. Please watch it. Subscribe my channel. Don't forget to ring the bell so you can get notified. Like the video. Share to your friends who are interested in dolls, so they'll also know a channel is there like this. And that's what I want to say, you guys. Check my Instagram page too. Follow me. So I want you guys support always. That's how I can grow. So Howard, thank you so much for watching my video. Just watch it. Don't wait for my next video to come in soon. So I don't know what my next video is based on. I will subscribe my channel for more videos. Bye, guys.